Here comes the elevator at the Holiday Inn in Frisco, Texas. Huh.
Can you wait for a second to come down?
Which band? 5. They're Kone elevators. This elevator's near the Embassy Suites. These are Kone elevators. Kone. Kone hydraulic elevators. 1. Door closed. Lights up, and it works too. These are actually, wait, no? Yeah, these are,
There's the hatch.
Yeah.